Today we're going from this to this with this. Links to the product are in the description below. I make a small commission on anything ordered through there. I don't work for that company or anything, but I was pretty happy with how this product. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Alright, got the marks on the sink. Notice this sink has been discontinued. And been noticing that it seems to take a lot of scratches. What I'm trying is this Sheila Shine. Let's see, it's a stainless steel surface protectant. Had professional cleaners try to clean this sink. And that stuff did not come out. Let's see how this stuff does. It actually says a little goes a long way, but I went ahead and let it set a little bit, and then I'll buff it out with a dry cloth. See how it goes. The Sheila Shine. It's got kind of a minty scent. Kind of good. Polish seems to be looking really good. We'll see as I polish it off. Wow, what a difference! And whatever the cleaners were using was not getting that out. Look at that. I didn't even do anything to it. Just sprayed it on. That's pretty good. It really does good at what it's meant for. That's great. It's a brand new sink now. And it is a brand new sink. That's the funny thing. But, you know. Definitely the right product really helps. Now the Sheila Shine. Very nice.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the description.
Shadow of his wings, the memory of her engraved on his hands. How deep, true, and awesome for her are his plans, yeah. Now she shares his cup of suffering and pain. Through his love and tender mercy, he removes all the shame. The virgin awaits her bridegroom's return, though with growing desire she fervently burns. A vessel full of all her lamb burning bright, that she may run with joy to meet him, yeah. Shadow of his wings, the memory of her engraved on his hands. How deep, true, and awesome for her are his plans, yeah. Now she shares his cup of suffering and pain. Through his love and tender mercy, he removes all the shame. The virgin awaits her bridegroom's return, that she may run with joy